In this video, we'll be going on a walking tour through Shanghai's Qibao Ancient Town. Wow, just look at that candy floss sunset. These electrical cables are the reason for Shanghai's Kite Ban, and the reason that annoying people might follow you around from time to time, leaving you with no adequate phrase to get them to go away. Unless you're in a zone designated by the Shanghai Kite Association. Talk about resource allocation. The ancient town is named after the legend that there are 7 treasures surrounding it. As you go further in, there are more stores and it gets busier, fast. This was filmed on a weekday. On weekends, it's like a scene from The Lion King. Ah, brother, help me! This is Stinky Tofu. How do you find it? You don't. It finds you. Pickled chicken feet. Yum. There's lots of souvenir shops selling hats, fans, silk scarves, clothing, and really annoying toys. I would definitely send that dog to a farm where it'll have more space to run and play. Hey, a silversmith! I bet his favorite music is metal. So you're probably wondering what my big mistake was in Qibao Ancient Town. Well, this video is only 5 minutes. I actually attempted to record for another 30 minutes. However, I forgot to press record. And if you want to know more about Shanghai, then you can check out my other video where I explore East Nanjing Road and the Nanjing pedestrian street in general, and discovered some underground Shanghai secrets. You can check that out over here.